Hey guys, it's me, Tina Marie, true meaning of radiance. Today's video, I have a Bolzano. Yes, a Bolzano handbag unboxing. If you guys aren't familiar with them, they are a monthly subscription for bags, jewelry, sunglasses, the works. I'll leave the information below and how much it costs per month. This is actually my third unboxing with them. Oh snap, oh snap. So what did they send me this month? I am excited to see. It comes in this, regular bag. I think, does it come by UPS or USPS? This comes by USPS. And look at the bag. Like, seriously. The bag for your bags to go in. It's so cute. Can I get a thumbnail? Yes. Yes, your girl can get a thumbnail. How you doing? So anyway, let me stop playing, y'all. Let me come back. Yeah, get the lighting back. You know, white always off balances it, especially on chocolate skin tone, so it deepens up. That's why sometimes my thumbnails be like really dark. It's because I'm holding like a white package and and it deepens up my face. So sorry, but you know, the blacker the berry, the sweeter the juice, baby. So ooh, let's just get into the bag. Let me show you what's in my bag for this month. What bag I got. It is super cute. Look at the bag this month, guys. It says Bolzano right here. So everything's brand. This is the coin purse. This is the inside of the purse. Ooh, yes. I think this is going to be cute for fall. It's all kind of stuff in the inside, y'all. Look. They got a whole bunch of stuff in the inside. Let me show you. Ooh, I think it's sunglasses in here, yo. Oh my goodness. Okay, so this is the strap part for the purse. So if you need a little extra strap for your purse to make it longer, but I don't think I want to make it longer because I think this will be a cute little fall bag. This will be a cute fall bag. What do y'all think? I think this will be cute for fall. So I don't want to, make it longer. This is a nice scarf. If I can open it, y'all, I'm trying to move so quick. Oh my goodness, let me get it open. Oh, this is a cute scarf or whatever. Look at that. Oh, she is cute. Oh man, if I knew how to tie. I don't know how to tie stuff on my head. I gotta take my time. I can't see it and do it on here. Oh, but that's cute anyway. We're gonna pretend like I bow tied it right though. Oh, it's so cute. Okay, I like that. It came with glasses too. It says Bolzano. And then these are the glasses. Okay, now I'm gonna be looking rich. Y'all, hold on, let me get these glasses open so I can show y'all. Okay, they try to have me show out on him. Honey. I got money. Jeffrey, can you go get the bags? Jeffrey, can you get the bags, Jeffrey? You talking to me? No, my chauffeur will get it. Hey, Chop Chop, where's my Grey Poupon? Where's the Grey Poupon? Fancy. Oh, this is fancy glasses. I like these. Ooh. Okay, so yeah, let me take this off. Put this back in here. Ah, this is nice, and this is a part of the LUXE. Yes, like cheese. So excited for these items. Really, really nice. And there's one more thing in here, y'all. That's not it. They sent another secondary box with it too. Y'all get all this for a low price. So definitely check out Bolzano. I'll leave the information below. And it comes with the skincare. Oh, I'm like over here trying to rush. Skincare, makeup, what? Ah, love it. So they sent me three things this time. This is the collagen eye mask. So you got that. And then you got Rose et Rain's cream, hand and nail cream. Look at that. Very cute packaging. Y'all know I'm a packaging junkie. Let me open it. Ooh, yes, honey. Looking like Bath and Body Works over here. Looking expensive over here. Yes. So this is a nice little rose scented hand cream. And you get a foundation brush. And this is what the foundation brush looks like. So you get all that with the subscription. Oh my goodness, imagine you having something like this come to your door every month. Come on, that is an amazing deal. Oh my goodness, I'll leave all the information below so you can sign up, but I don't want to mess up my makeup. But just use the foundation like that, and then you can paintbrush it on if you want to, but I would go like that. Will be nice under eye. Yeah, concealer. Yeah, I like this. Likes it a lot. So definitely make sure you check out Bolzano. I'll leave all the information below. Y'all see I racked up. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. And my most favorite item, I love the purse though. The purse is gonna be super cute for fall. I really think it's gonna be really cute for fall. But my little bougie behind glasses. I love these bougie behind glasses because y'all, yes, it's a hot girl summer out here. It's a hot girl summer, okay? So these little bougie glasses. Oh, and then you put it on top of the head now. Oh, yes, that's my range. That's my Range Rover. And then you go get in the Honda. Yeah, I'm talking to you. But these are super cute. The glasses did it for me, honey. Oh my goodness. They even have the name brand on there as well for Bolzano. Y'all, these glasses took me out like, yeah, this is the star of the show for me. It's a glass, like, let me pose. Thumbnail. Thumbnail. Oh, like, wait, hold on. Let me take the glasses off. Girl, what was you saying? Girl, what? Okay, it's time to go put your glasses on. Okay, girl, let's go. Let's go. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me stop playing. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember, rate, comment, subscribe. Check out Bolzano. The information's below so you can have a hot girl summer with these glasses like me. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.